Hi, I'm Anima. I'm founder of Prishni Innovations Private Limited. As part of Prishni Innovations, we are trying to make education accessible to one and all. So, as part of this, we also have a stream wherein we are teaching experiential and expletive way of learning science. We are making science simple, easy, interactive, and fun. So, a lot of us have heard the flute, and we play the flute with this and by the holes opening and closing. So, what is the basic principle behind these all instruments, flute and other instruments? We alter the length of the air column. So, this is a very simple experiment to demonstrate this. Now, this instrument here is made up of straws. These can be paper straws also, and they are of different length, and so therefore the air is inside these straws, so that is when we blow air through them, sound is produced, and different sound is produced because the length of each air column is different. Now if we try to create, just listen to the sound that we can create with this. And when the children make this model, it is just not that they learn about sound, they also learn various skills. Their hand eye coordination improves. They learn that they have to go from bigger to smaller. They cut the straws accordingly. And the straws which is cut by one child can also be used by another child. So teamwork also improves. They learn to use the things conservatively and within the team. Thank you.
Break Free Solutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.